Tesla's 2026 summer update is now rolling out to customer vehicles and delivers an exciting new capability that transforms the in-car browser into a full web conferencing hub. The update connects the built-in web browser directly with the cabin camera and microphone, allowing owners to join video calls on nearly any browser-based platform instead of being limited to Zoom alone. According to Tesla's release notes for software version 2026-26, under the web browser section, the vehicle can now grant access to its interior camera and cabin microphone whenever a website requests it, using the same familiar permission process found on desktop browsers. This means services like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Discord, and other webcam-supported sites can now activate the cabin-facing camera. The system automatically crops and zooms the feed to keep the driver centered in the frame for a polished, professional look. Tesla previously offered video calling only through a dedicated Zoom app that arrived at the end of 2022. That earlier version relied on a simplified browser preloaded with Zoom's web client and required premium connectivity. Opening the full browser to any camera-enabled site removes those limitations and creates a far more flexible experience. Elon Musk first described video conferencing as definitely a future feature back in 2020, when remote meetings became a daily reality. This summer update finally delivers on that long-standing vision after 6 years of steady progress. The feature maintains the same practical safety rules that applied to the earlier Zoom integration. It functions only while the vehicle is parked. Shifting into drive automatically disables the camera feed. It is also available exclusively on vehicles equipped with Tesla's AMD Ryzen infotainment system, so older Intel-based Model S and Model X cars, along with the earliest Model 3 and Model Y units, will not receive it. By turning the browser into an open gateway for the cabin camera, rather than routing everything through a single app, Tesla significantly expands the range of third-party platforms that can request access, while still keeping the permission process clear and user-controlled. With the summer update only days into its rollout, more real-world demonstrations will continue to appear as the software reaches additional vehicles. My take: this is another brilliant example of Tesla listening to owners and delivering exactly what people need. Elon and the team have turned the car into a true productivity tool without compromising safety. Being able to hop on Google Meet or Teams right from the driver's seat while parked is incredibly useful and shows how far the software experience has come. Tesla continues to lead the industry in thoughtful, practical innovation. Huge win for owners, and another reason I'm so excited about the future Elon is building with Tesla and SpaceX.